Welcome to GK means MK. In this video, we are talking about the 7 wonders of the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. There are so many wonderful structures in the world, both man-made and natural. Man-made creations include monuments, places of worship, tombs, buildings, and even cities. Many of them stand still with their mesmerizing beauty and brilliance in the architecture. New 7 Wonders Foundation, a Zurich-based company, conducted an online voting campaign in 2007, participating more than 100 million people to declare the new 7 Wonders of the world. The official declaration was made on 7th July 2007, and there onwards, 7th July of every year is celebrated as 7 Wonders Day. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is an archaeological site located in the Yucatan state in Mexico. It was a large city built by the Maya people and was likely to have been one of the mythical great cities. It is one of the most visited archaeological sites in Mexico. Chichen Itza was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer is a statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The statue is 38 meters tall and 28 meters wide. The statue is located at the peak of the 700-meter Corcovado mountain in the Tijuca Forest National Park overlooking the city of Rio. It was constructed between 1922 and 1931. Roman Colosseum. The Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. It is the largest amphitheater ever built. Construction began in AD 72 by emperors of the Flavian dynasty and was completed in AD 80. The Colosseum could hold an average of 65,000 audience. It was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles such as mock sea battles, animal hunts, executions, reenactments of famous battles, and dramas based on classical mythology. The Colosseum is an iconic symbol of Imperial Rome. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications built across the historical northern borders to protect Chinese states and empires. Several walls were being built from 7th century BC onwards. Later they were strengthened, made bigger and joined together. Famous among all is the wall built between 220 and 206 BC by King Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. These are now collectively called as the Great Wall. The majority of the existing wall is from the Ming dynasty, made between AD 1368 and 1644. An archaeological survey found that the entire wall with all of its branches measured out to be 21,196 kilometers. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel situated on a mountain ridge 2,430 meters above sea level. It is located in the Cusco region, Urubamba province in Peru. Even though the Incas built the estate around 1450, it was unknown to the outside world until American historian Hiram Bingham brought it to international attention in 1911. Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian historical sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Petra. Petra is a historical and archaeological city in southern Jordan. The city is famous for its rock cut. Another name of Petra is the Rose City due to the color of the stone out of which it is carved. Established possibly before 312 BC as the capital city of the Arab Nabateans, it is a symbol of Jordan as well as Jordan's most visited tourist attraction. Petra has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1985. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the south bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his departed wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal complex is believed to have been completed entirely in 1653. The construction was under the guidance of a board of architects led by the court architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 for being the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. It is regarded as the best example of Mughal architecture and a symbol of India's rich history. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification so that you won't miss any upcoming videos.